In this video, I'm going to show you how you can affect iDraw app to the latest version. By updating your iDraw app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with the older version of iDraw app. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to update iDraw app, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store app here, and then using this search bar, search for the app. If you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it, and then just go ahead and search for the word iDraw using the word iDraw, and this will take you to this app that you installed. Now, if you tap on it, you should see we have an update, which means I've been using an updated version of iDraw app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of iDraw app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of iDraw app, and also you should be able to find it under your apps. So that's how you can update your iDraw app and get the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.